Hey everyone, Elliot here. Ever been locked out of your iPhone by that frustrating iPhone lock to owner message, also known as iCloud activation lock? It's a common headache for many Apple users. Now, you might have heard about various services, software, or even sketchy hacks claiming to fix this issue. Trust me, those can be risky, unreliable, and sometimes even illegal. But don't worry, there are safer and completely legal ways to get past this lock. Today I'm going to show you multiple methods that work not just for iPhones, but also iPads and Apple Watches. And the best part? These tricks are quicker, safer, and absolutely free. So stick around because I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Remember, this info is for responsible use only. It's meant for those who own their device but forgot their access info. We're not here to help with stolen devices or any illegal actions. Respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's rules and community standards. Now let's get started. If you're dealing with the iPhone lock to owner message, you might have come across different services and software that claim to fix it. It's important to be careful with these, as some can be unreliable or even illegal. However, there are some legit options out there that stand out. For example, Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app is a great choice. It's designed to be safe and user-friendly, taking the guesswork out of unlocking your device. Lock to Owner is another reliable service that's been praised for its effectiveness. If you're looking for something secure, Safe Unlocks offers a trusted way to remove the lock from your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. Lastly, iUnlock app is a noteworthy mention for its simplicity and reliability. These services are ideal for those who've forgotten their Apple ID or password but still legally own their devices. They offer a way better, safer, and totally legal alternative compared to sketchier options you might find online. So now that we've covered the best services, let's move on to how to actually use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and go to unlockhere.com. This is an AI-powered web app that helps you unlock any mobile phone restriction you might have. Once there, let Nifty, the AI bot, know you need an iCloud unlock by clicking on Remove Activation Lock. Select your device type, iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. When prompted, enter the IMEI or serial number of your device. Here's the difference. All iPhones have IMEIs. If you're unlocking an iPhone, choose IMEI. Some iPads and Apple Watches with a SIM card slot or cellular capacity also have IMEIs. However, most come with just a serial number. To find this info on your locked device, press the sleep button, press it again, and tap on the I on the bottom right. Your device info will be displayed. Next, make sure to input the device information in the following step. You'll need to enter some basic info to attach the order to your account. Make sure to use real info to receive your order confirmation. You'll get a confirmation code sent to your email that you need to confirm. Agree to the terms and confirm that you're not unlocking a stolen device, then tap Start Process. There'll be a quick CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. You should receive an email with a confirmation code. Sometimes it might land in your spam or junk folder, so check there too. Take the confirmation code and click the provided button to go to a page where you'll enter it. Confirm you're not a robot again, and your unlock process will start. Your device will then be unlocked. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone lock to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone, and as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it'll be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked, so it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and skip the rest of the steps and just do it all later on. And there you have it. It says, "Welcome to iPhone." Now go to Settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap Forget Password, or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. One of the main challenges people face is getting locked out due to forgetting their Apple ID or password. This is frustrating, especially when you legally own the device. If you're searching for reliable solutions, there are a few methods worth exploring that are completely legal and safe. Start by contacting Apple support. They can guide you through the process if you can prove ownership. This might involve providing proof of purchase, so have your receipts handy. Another legitimate way is to reset your Apple ID password using the official Apple ID website. This works if you still have access to your email or trusted phone number. Follow the steps provided by Apple to regain access to your account. If the above methods don't work for you, there are reputable third-party services that can help, like Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Lock to Owner, and iUnlock app. These services are designed to help you unlock your device legally and safely. Keep in mind that these options should be used responsibly and for devices you own. It's crucial to avoid sketchy services or software that promise to unlock your device quickly for a high fee. These can be scams and may even harm your device. Stick to trusted services and methods to ensure your device remains secure. By focusing on these legal and trustworthy methods, you can safely remove the iCloud activation lock and regain access to your device. You should know that these unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access these services or prefer not to use them, we've got another option for you. We offer 250 free unlocks every week for viewers of our videos. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your device model, IMEI, and country. Once you've done these steps, you're automatically entered. That's all for now. Catch you in the next video.